Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you are fine. In this video I want to share with you easy weight loss with Negro pepper, without stress, without exercise. First of all, if you want to lose weight, I'm not promising you fast. In 1 minute you lose 20 pounds. No. In 5 seconds you lose 1 million pounds. No. It's when you do it the natural way, you lose weight the healthy way. Weight loss the healthy way. When you get Negro pepper, you know what is Negro pepper. You just get one stick of it. You boil it in water. 1 cup of water, you boil it. Early in the morning, you drink it. You boil it in that morning. So whilst it's very warm, once it's warm, not as hot as it will be in your stomach. No, once it's warm, you take it and drink. A full cup. Then this is what you will do. You have to buy if you're eating rice, you have to be eating whole grain, like unpolished rice, not like brown rice. You know that Nigerian rice, how it looks like unpolished rice. Let me show you. This is how that rice looks like. Have you seen the Nigerian unpolished rice? Look at it. It doesn't have starch. You can just go and tell them that you want rice without starch, okay? Then you eat not polished food. You have to abstain from polished food or refined food. You have to abstain from cake, candies, and all those things. Then this will be your eating habit. Cute rice, when you measure like this quantity of rice, you add more vegetable to it, a lot of vegetable, and stew. Your stew should be light, not thick. Then when you are eating swallow, if you eat swallow, you can eat just more with more vegetable, but it shouldn't be refined swallow, okay? You can use the local swallow, like in Nigeria, fufu and those things, but it should be small quantity and more vegetable. Then, as for the water, the Negro pepper water, you have to drink it 1 hour before you eat. Take your breakfast. Your breakfast can be like oats. You will not add sugar. Not instant oats. I mean the natural oats. Let me show you this type of oatmeal, okay? This type is the natural one. You use it, you cook it. You can add milk or any milk of your choice, but don't add sugar, okay? Then you eat 4 times a day, but after 6 o'clock, don't eat anything again. After 6 p.m., don't eat anything again. The only thing you can eat after 6 p.m. should be vegetable and fruits. Do this, and in 1 month time, come back and tell me your results. This is how I lost my weight. If you know me before, you will realize that I am bigger than this. I was very big before, but this is how I lost weight. My doctor put this diet on me, and with no exercise, I lost that weight. And as you can see, I am slim looking, sexy, and younger. Not because of the haircut. I'm looking like slim, sexy, and younger. As if you know me before, I am bigger than this. Try this. You don't need exercise with this one. You will just lose weight naturally and healthy, in a healthy way. Thank you guys for watching. Please, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please, whilst you are doing this, I beg you, whilst you are doing this, you take fruits. The fruit I want you to be taking should be pineapple, okay, pineapple or apple, pineapple and pawpaw, pineapple and pawpaw, please. And if you are taking the pineapple, please don't take orange. If you are taking the pineapple, you should take it after you have eaten. Don't take pineapple on an empty stomach, okay? And for the pawpaw, when you are taking it, don't take it much, okay? Take it just small quantity, okay? And you can take a reasonable amount of pineapple, okay? Don't blend it. Just cut it into small nice cubes and chop it small, okay? Thank you guys for watching. Please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and turn on the bell so that anytime I upload a video you'll be notified. Thank you and bye bye.